Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Surface Slime, Sammy and Jenna. And today we are doing the slime close your eyes pick challenge. So this is how it works. So I have all my slimes, and I am going to be closing my eyes, pick two of them, and feel them, play with them, and see which one is better. Okay, let's get to it. So first round, let's choose. I don't know which. I'm gonna go for this one and this one. Oh, so I got a purple and clear one. This one's really cool. So I got this purple one and clear one. So let's open it up. It's like some foil. I know it's kind of funny. So yeah. Now this one is really cool because it does color change. Want to see? Just gotta get it warm. See here. It is like it turns to pink and it is purple, so that is kind of cool and it is kind of stretchy. So let's get the other one out. Let's get the other one out. Oh, this one's clear. Oh, I like that clearness. Even if you play with it, it doesn't get unclear. So I would prefer. Here, let me talk about this here. Well, it does have bubbles in it that I don't like, and it's kind of like hard, and it doesn't change color. That's the thing that I don't like about it. So I would rate this a 5, and I would rate this one an 8. So this one won the round. So and that was something. So I already took this one, so this is a winner. I'm going to put winners here and losers. Okay. Next round. This one. This one. Oh, I got the one I wanted. So I got this orange one and this like teal. I kind of like the teal one. I like the color of teal. So, oh. This is a thick slime. I love thick slimes. So this is a thick slime. You can tell because it's thick, that's why it's called a thick slime. So this is a thick slime. I really like thick slimes. And it's a really pretty color orange. And it does change color, I think, too. So let's see what color it changes into. We gotta get it really warm. Oh, I guess it doesn't change color. Well, I think it does. I just think it's not, like, that enough. Like, it's not, like, enough paint to color change. So now, except for this one. Look at that color, teal. I personally, well, it's my opinion. I like this color teal. You don't have to. On camera it kind of looks clear, but it's actually a really pretty color of teal. So this is a good one. This is also a good one. I rate the teal one a 5. And I rate this one a 6. So this one won this round. So winners. Winners. That is a winner. This one. Sorry. Oh, I don't have any more. Now it's up to these two. They're both purple. This one's a light one, like a light clear one. And this one is a darker one, so you can actually like compare. This one has like a clear circle on it. So this one, the dark one, is slightly a little too rough for me. And this one, I would compare this one. It is a little stricter than the other one. And this one is a little bit stretchier than this one. This one like rips. This one can actually stretch. So, and it does have this one has a better poke than this one. But it's kind of hard to like press down here. I wish you guys would stay. Yeah, just hold it. So this is the one I think wins because it is a nice color and it is more stretchier. So that is it. This one is the dark one. I don't really think is like. I want it to be the loser because it's kind of. This one's more stretchier. I like it. So I think we've passed our test. This one is a winner. This one is our loser. Let's put them back in our bins. It is loser, winner. So there's 3 and 3 because I don't have another slime. So let's do the winners now. So we're just gonna do the winners and then we're gonna just do the losers. Mix these up. Let's do this one and this one. We got 2 purples again. Let's just switch for the dark. Let's choose the orange one because we did already just have a light one and a dark one. So let's switch it off to the orange one. So this one is a really good slime. Remember, I said it's thick because it is thick. Now, let's try this one. This one is also thick and more stricter because this one is harder. Let's play with both of them. Actually, this one's harder, but it's more squishier. That's what I was trying to say. Let's do the little crush test. Oh, it's definitely the purple one. Now let's do the poke test. Definitely the purple one. It's winning. Now let's do the twist test. I meant stretch test. Okay, that passed. It passed. So I prefer this one because it won 2 rounds and this one just won 1. So purple is winning. So those are all the good ones. Tinfoil. I knew this one, so I'm just going to put that one back. So we left on with these ones. So I got this one. It's the purple one. This one is the teal one. This is hard because this teal one is a little hard, and this one is more stretchier. So, poke test, pass, lose. We already did. Now let's do this crush test. Definitely the purple one. Now let's do the stretch test. This one won the stretch test. So, this one is a 1, 2, and the teal one win 1. So it's 1 and 2, and also 1 and 2. Let's make a pyramid. So I'll go there. And this. And this. Oh boy. It worked! Look at the pyramid! Look at the pyramid! Look at the pyramid! So this is my pyramid of slime. I would go from the top, winner, to kind of the bottom, the losers. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe, turn notifications, and give us a big thumbs up if you like it. Bye, guys!